Good morning, sir and my dear friends. I am Vignesh Mani, 17E114. I am going to do a simulation. I am going to do a simulation for the lift. First of all, we have to go to simulation. There we have to click the elevator fourth floor simulator. Then user. Then we have to connect the circuit here. For my circuit, I am going to connect two circuits at a parallel. So I am connected in parallel and a closed switch for connected in series. Okay, this is my general circuit for the upwards and the downwards. Now I am going to connect a circuit for the counter upwards. The timer counter will be useful to count the values for how much it goes upwards and how much it goes downwards. Now this is the general circuit for my lift moving upwards direction. Now we are going to design a circuit for the lift moving downwards direction. The both will be same, but the both will be same. The values alone will be changed. Okay. Now the closed. Okay. Now we are going to connect the series of sorry. Okay. For the counter downwards also we are going to connect a separate circuit. So this is the general circuit for my lift elevator. I am going to generate a values for each and every parts in the circuit. First, we are going to give a input upper travel. It will be at two places in the closed and also in the loop. Now I am going to give a value of the switch. The one switch warm water will be useful to move the lift from ground floor to fourth floor, third floor in the upwards direction. So I am going to place it at here. The output, the main factor of output is to move the lift from the upwards direction. So I am going to place it here, and for the counter we wanted the output as a input. Okay, here you can see the output 4,0 and same as the input as a output 4,0. Next I am going to say for the down counter the second will be used as the switch for moving downwards direction. Next the input 3,0, that means here you can see the lower travel, but I cannot copy that, so I'm going to copy and paste here, this here and here. I'm going to change the value to 0. I think so you can understand. Now I'm going to paste the output. This is also same, which will be in a downward direction. O4,1, the same as of input for the counter. Now I'm going to edit the value for counters. Here if you place 0, the value will be C5,0, which will be output. The preset value will be 9. We can keep the preset value as our wish, but when the values at the limit, it cannot exceed. Next, C5,1, the same preset value, but it will be travel in a negative values because it's moving from upwards to downwards. So it will be moving from opposite directions. So this is my circuit, overall circuit. I have also tried for closing and opening the door, but the circuit is very large and I have little much of mistakes. So I cannot do the open and closing the door for the lift elevator. So I am going to run the program for the as a generalized output for it. Now we have to go to the PLC. Then we have to download the program to PLC. Then change from PGM to run mode. Now when I am pressing 1, the lift will be moved from first floor to second floor. Now second floor to third floor. Now third floor to fourth floor. When this is from 0 to third floor. Now when I am pressing second, it will be moved from fourth floor to third floor, third floor to second floor to first floor. So this is my generalized output. Accumulator value will be 3. The when you see the at the up counter, the accumulator value will be 3, which will move from 0, 1, 2, 3. So the values are same as of the lift values. Now when the down counter is useful from 3 to 1, it will move from upward direction to downwards direction. So it's act as a -3. So here you can see the difference between up counter and down counter. So this is my generalized output for the lift elevator. Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. I have tried it with my own. I have not visited any websites or any links or even the help center for referring anything. I have done it by my own with the help of you, sir. Thank you, sir.